Hi there, Rue here. So where exactly do you submit your peer review critique? I'm going to tell you. You have read and annotated your partner's essay draft. You have completed your comments and your feedback. You have filled out in as much detail as possible your peer review written feedback worksheet. The file is saved on your computer and it's ready to be uploaded. But where do you go? Let me show you where. This is the assignment page. Okay. This is right here is where you received the peer review that you just read. Okay. Okay, so there's nothing for you to do here. All right. If you see a blue button over here that says resubmit or retry or something like that, do not use it. Okay, what you do is that you go to the submission details page. You click on the submission details page, and it brings you to a page that looks like this. Okay? Here, you'll see the View Feedback button, which if you click, it'll open the submission. Okay? Here, you'll see an attached file. This is where you attach it. Okay? You attach it right here, and it'll pop up over here. If you attach it here and it's uploaded here, then the person that you critiqued is going to be able to view it. I'm going to be able to view it, and you're going to be able to view it. If you put it in the general comments section of the assignment page, where you would normally upload your own work, only you and me will be able to see it. So it is very important that you come to this page, submission details page. You see the view feedback button, okay? Because the combination of the view feedback button will let you know that that's where to attach your file. The combination of view feedback and attach file, okay? This is where you attach your file.